today I will share with you about a new project. If you are looking for the next big thing in DeFi, I will introduce you with a Code AI project where privacy meets powerful blockchain utility. So I will share with you about this project, but before that, if you are project name as Code AI project, Code AI is a bold privacy first crypto ecosystem offering a fully confidential broker on blockchain and integrated bank payment gateway and marketplace, all powered by the dollar code AI token. So there is about given here the future vision tokenomics. I will share all that. The phase one is going on exchange cost is $3.5 million. You can see it here. They have different given here the bonuses. You can see that it is $105, which is 10% bonus, and you can see total you will get. You can easily be able to buy that 1 KTI unit is equal to 0.00005455, and the other one is about 510, which is the gold one. You can even go and buy the diamond one too. You will get more bonus on these. As you can see, on gold you will get the 50% bonus, and on diamond you will get 100% bonus on it too. So further I will share with you the other details, and you can embrace the future of decentralized finance with Code AI. So their future vision is given. You can read their future vision from here. I will just close it here. You can see Code AI project is the vision to be a reference in the cryptocurrency universe, providing a safe and reliable environment where user can freely explore the potential of cryptocurrency. And you can see it here, it is given. So furthermore, the Code AI ecosystem is given. You can see their key features here. What makes Code AI different from other that given here, imagine a platform where your digital identity, transaction, and even everyday payment are integrated. The Code AI ecosystem connects essential services such as brokerage, a digital bank, payments, gateway, and decentralized wallet, etc. So Code they are given a crypto broker, and where they have with no KYC required, that you can go for the broker without no KYC. You have to just create an account and second use only Code AI wallet, and you can do work on it. And other is given here is their wallet, the hub of the ecosystem. The wallet offers support for multiple blockchains and also the tokens. They have also the Code AI bank. You can see it here, and they also redefine the concept of banking. Bank offers decentralized bank accounts linked with their wallet, and they also have a smart feature like you can earn income from staking and yield farming directly into your app. They have also the crypto debit card. Use your cryptocurrencies in your daily life. They have also the Code AI payments here, trading features. Now Code AI blockchain built for speed and anatomy, you can see. And they have the wallet super app for trading, banking, and also for the payment. And Code AI Space, a marketplace that blends e-commerce and with the social interaction. So the details I share with you. They have secure and the low price at that time. You can see the tokenomics is given. The tokenomics and that tokenomics sale, which is given the Code AI token pre-sale launch in May 2024. Fixed at just 0.00006 per token with a total supply of 7.4 trillion tokens all along. You can see the all token available for pre-sale is 1 trillion, but you can see here they have founders which you will use here about 475 and billion here. So they are given that they have go for the project team partnership validation token sold on the first state, which is given here. Also I will just share all these. So further you can see here have the given the number one part is for the technical department, which is 60%. Marketing and global promotion goes 15% of the total supply, and 8% for the operational cost, and 3% for strategic partnership and all that. Further given here Code AI projects are given. They have the main element which is given here, like they have the market which is given here. You can see they are revolutionary integrated marketplace and strategic. They have exchange, payments, and also super app, which is given here, a wallet super app for trading, banking, and also for the brokerage payment gateway too. So there is a tokenomics and also all that. You can see it here. Further, if I go for their roadmap, their things are given. Here you can see it here. You can see the more they are going. They have the planning and pre-sales, and they have ICO and development. The ICO launch, I will share their details on the Instagram and also other social media. Too, you can see the exchange. They have the final goal, which is 100 million user by 2030 here. So they are given about that. So you can further say that how to participate in that. If you want to prefer and you have to participate, you have to create your link and share it with your wish to your family, friends and groups. All that you can receive automatically. Why it's worth it? No reach limit, smart dashboard, automatic payments and universal links too. So the audit is given. You can see you can buy it. For that you have to first of all go to their top page. You have to connect your wallet, and step 3 you have to convert it here. So all that is given. So further you can see their details about that, adopt it, and further I will share with you about their Instagram post which is going on at that time, that the project coming soon which is named as Kota Bet. You can see it here, and the new era of decentralized betting is coming 100% in crypto. No KYC, no limits, no bureaucracy, and this is a part of ecosystem and will revolutionize global. So you can see that I will go for the soccer, basketball, tennis, fighting, no registration, and so you can see their details. Further I will share with you about their Instagram basically their social media, so that you can easily be able to work on it. But you can see there they have the different posts which is going here. So I want to share with you the other. Make sure you always stay safe in the cryptocurrency market. Use two-factor authentication. They are giving for that you can be conscious about the high risk and high rewarded project. This team is working and the token supply is massive. Always do your own research before investing in any project. This project is gaining traction fast with update rolling on the Binance Square and growing Telegram community, and also the ambitious roadmap leading in 2025. So further you can see their project on the Twitter. Must go and join them on their social media accounts. You can see whether you are a DeFi believer or a privacy advocate. Kota AI is one of the watch. Learn more at kotaiaproject.io. I will give that link in my video description. And don't forget to check it and do your own research too before investing in any project. You can even go and check it on the Telegram too. So I share all the details about that project here. So you are a DeFi believer or you are a privacy advocate. Whether you are any one of them, Kota AI is the one to watch. Learn more at their website. I will give that link in my video description. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. And I will share all their details here. Thank you so much for watching.